Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy PLS on MetaMask. First, ensure your MetaMask wallet is installed and properly configured. Next, we will add the Pulse Chain network to your wallet, which is crucial for interacting with the ecosystem. Then, you will learn how to bridge existing crypto assets from another blockchain onto Pulse Chain. Finally, I will guide you through swapping those assets for PLS on a decentralized exchange, completing your purchase. To begin, open your MetaMask wallet and locate the Network Selection drop-down menu at the top. Select Add Network, then choose the option to add a network manually. You will need to input specific details. The network name is Pulse Chain. The new RPC URL is https://rpc. Pulse Chain. The chain ID is 369, and the currency symbol is PLS. The block explorer URL is https://otter. Pulse Chain. After entering these, click Save to add the network. Now that Pulse Chain is set up, you will need assets to swap for PLS. Start by acquiring a cryptocurrency such as Ethereum or a stablecoin on a different blockchain, like the Ethereum mainnet. Then, navigate to the official Pulse Chain Bridge website. Connect your MetaMask wallet to the bridge, ensuring you are on the correct source network. Select the asset you wish to transfer and specify the amount. Approve the transaction in MetaMask, and your assets will begin bridging to Pulse Chain, typically taking about 30 minutes. With your assets successfully bridged to Pulse Chain, the final step is to swap them for PLS. Go to a decentralized exchange, or DEX, operating on the Pulse Chain network such as PulseX. Connect your MetaMask wallet to the DEX. In the swap interface, select your newly bridged asset, for example, wrapped Ethereum or a stablecoin as the from token. Then, choose PLS as the to token. Enter the amount you wish to swap and confirm the transaction in your wallet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.